sports will open. Sir has declared the sports open.
The chairperson, MRV Group of Schools, Shri O.P. Babaji, our most treasured chief guest, the visionary and mentor and a great guide, gracing the occasion with his presence. It's a great pleasure for us. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Give a big applause to sir. Our first lady of school, Mrs. Janak Babbar, an inspirational, always give a motherly touch to us and a backbone of our school. A heartiest welcome to you, madam. Today I am very surprised to have with us our director of MRV Krishna Park, Mrs. Dr. Pranvi Luthra, has given a surprise to join this function. My heartiest thanks to join this function and your special appearance. Many heartiest welcome to you, madam. No doubt, fitness can help you build a strong immune system to guard against various infections, but also have a key strategy for mental health and character building. I have always believed that extracurricular activities should be an indispensable part of our students' life, especially during their early academic years. As it is said that sound mind lies in a sound body. I want all my school students to be good at both studies and sports. So far, I am extremely proud of what my students have achieved in the sports field, and I am sure you all will agree that it helps you stay healthy and fit. But it's not considerable without the cooperation of our dear parents. So very warm welcome to our dear parents. सिर्फ एकेडमिक स्टडी नहीं होती और खेलों पर ये ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता, बल्कि बच्चों के आध्यात्मिक विकास पर भी ध्यान दिया जाता है और बच्चे हर चीज में पूरी तरह से भाग लेते हैं. You all will witness a grand panorama wherein students will exhibit how they are taught to be rich in character, be humble and kind, help others and be compassionate. They will perform yoga and aerobic exercises in front of you.
Of health and happiness. Objectives behind all games and sports activities are to educate students about health benefits, to promote healthy lifestyle, to foster values of brotherhood, competitive spirit and healthy relationship. We at MRV have been organizing inter-school activities, competitions.
इस प्रोडक्ट के लाभ का एक अंश अन्य विद्यालय में जाता है, डिसेबल को जाता है, विडोज को जाता है और सीनियर सिटीजन को जाता है.
A very common sentence we say, all work, no play, make the person dull. All work, no play. When we talk about play, it means sports, not TV. All work, we need free time always. We always need, along with the work, some recreation, and that has to be sports, games, physical work. The importance of that cannot be underestimated. We all know that sports gives us spirit of teamwork, determination, decision making. But one very important learning to all the parents, I would say, the biggest learning from sports we get is accepting the failures.
तो ये भी दिन एक ऐसा है जिसमें बच्चों को कुछ अपने स्पोर्ट्स में भी अपनी जो उनका एक बात से आर्ट है, जो उनके पास ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हम सबके सामने उपस्थित किए हुए हैं.
Its parts. Sports also teaches how to handle our stress when we are defeated in sports games and in life too. It not only helps in mental and physical well-being, it inculcates the dedication and discipline among students. Children learn how to realize their capabilities, their capacity, their confidence, and their self-belief. Failure is inevitable. It happens in life and in the playground also.
I would like to congratulate you all the students and all the parents for giving them the space here, because I think this is one of the best schools to shape your career, because MRV not only promotes education but also encourages you to have be a part of extracurricular activities. And we never used to feel this as a burden because we used to enjoy everything together. So one advice to all the students will be to maintain a timetable and have time for your studies as well as sports and other activities which you like. So it was because of MRV that I realized I have some interest in music as well. So thank you for that. And these will be my experiences that I just shared. So again, success is not always guaranteed. Sometimes you will have failures, but the only thing which you have to do is that not get underestimated, not judge yourself by the grades that you get. जैसे ये जवानी है दीवानी इज़ अ मूवी, उसमें बनी कहता है कि उड़ना भी है, गिरना भी है, पर उठना नहीं है. So yeah, that will be my ending words. So lastly, just dream big and achieve them one by one. Never give up on your dreams and never let failures set you back. Just keep working hard and you will achieve everything. Just one last thing, make sure whatever you dream has something in it which gives back to the society. You have to give back at some point. अगर MRV से जाते हो तो इस चीज़ का याद रखना, MRV के teachers को हमेशा be thankful to them, be grateful to them, and always take help from your friends, family, and teachers. These are the people who will never back you down. So yeah, thank you and good luck everybody.
तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल गाय, जय हे भारत भाग्य दाता, जय हे, जय हे, जय
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, oh, the way that things have been. Oh, oh. my CEO. Ooh, the master of my CEO. Ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You made me a believer, believer. Break me down, you made me a believer, believer. Let the waters fall, let them rain. Let my darling get
Wonderful.
you made me a believer, believer. Turn things turns and a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, oh, your spirit up above. Oh, oh.
Amazing.
I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did, ever did, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up and it rained down, like. You made me a believer, believer. Break me down, you made me a believer, believer. Let the waters fall, let them rain.
1, 2, 3, hey! Cross, back, straight. One wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boxing sparring stance. Go. Step 1, 2. Step cross combo. 1. Down. Elbow. Go. Salman step straight. Sparring stance. Go. Upper block. 1, 2, 3, 4. Self-defense team. Boys forward. Salute. Face to face. Salute. Now sparring stance. 3. One stand. Full contact. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. Team side. Salute. Down. Left hand. Team forward.
पहला दिन है, एंजॉय करना हूँ।
ए छोटा पैकेट इधर आ। नाम बता। नित्या। आपका नाम क्या है? बड़ा पैकेट।
जो अंदर की शक्ति आप उसे देती है वो उसकी स्माइल में झलकती है और उस स्माइल को अंदर से स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है कोलगेट स्ट्रॉन्ग टीथ। इसकी अमीनो शक्ति दांतों का नेचुरल कैल्शियम बढ़ाने में मदद करे और उनके एनामल को बनाए अंदर से स्ट्रॉन्ग। कोलगेट स्ट्रॉन्ग टीथ।
तालियां तो बनती हैं। Very well done, बेटा। Well done, MRPS. We are really proud of you all. You have done an outstanding performance. बच्चों को देखकर हमें पता चल रहा है इन बच्चों ने कितनी मेहनत की है। Well done. Well done. also. जोरदार तालियों की आवाज आनी चाहिए पेरेंट्स. Well done. Well done. Clap for them. Amazing. Students will break the bricks. They are ready to break it.
Ready? Position. Number 1. 2. 3. Hit it. Okay. Cheer. 경기. 이동. Outside block. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side punching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick motion. 1, 2,
Arnav is the winner of state level event Delhi Olympics. Arnav. He is the winner at state level event Delhi Olympics. Clap for them. Clap for them. Well done. Truly amazing. Put your hands together. They truly deserve it. Well done. Well done. Proud of you. We are really proud of you, Alavian. Parents, go to तालियां इन बच्चों के लिए.
डर गए ना? इससे और डरावनी बात यह है कि कीटाणु मुंह के कई पार्ट्स पर असर कर सकते हैं। दांत तो सिर्फ 20% है। इसलिए यूनिक CPC टेक्नोलॉजी वाला पेप्सोडेंट जर्मी चेक ये आम टूथपेस्ट के मुकाबले मुंह के कीटाणुओं से बेहतर लड़े। सिर्फ दांत नहीं, मुंह भी साफ। पेप्सोडेंट जर्मी चेक।
The thing that I am today is because of the school, all the teachings of the Vivekananda, and
all the empowerment that I've got from the teachers here is the main thing that I'm here and which gives a kick to my career. So basically I would just like to say one thing, that everybody is an architect of their own lives, and the main important thing is to build the strong foundation which MRV has built for me. So MRV मेरी नींव है, and I am sure that सारे students के लिए MRV will be the strongest foundation because it empowers you, it gives you the power to grow and you will excel in life. Just be strong and just be with the teachings of Mr. Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda, and I'm just grateful to be here. It's an absolute, pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
School Sports Championship 2024. I repeat, Inter-School Sports Championship 2024 event shooting. They'll be getting reward for shooting. Event is shooting. Anshul 8A. Gold. Anshul 8A. Gold medal. नहीं ये भी इसी का है. Mehul 4th D gold medal. Chavi 4th A gold medal. Daksh Ali 8K gold medal. Arisudan 8th B silver medal. हमारा गोल्ड का शूटिंग है. Ikshan 5th B silver medal. Sanya 6th B silver medal.
Better when I'm dancing, yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing, yeah, yeah. And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing, yeah, yeah. Sing oh, just move those left feet. Go ahead, get crazy. Anyone can do it. Sing oh,
Our school always focus on sports and physical activities which helps in maintaining our health and improves our decision making power. Very graceful.
सामने से तेज चल 3 4 5 6 लॉक खोलिए शूट क्लैपिंग करिए जोरदार तालियों के साथ
खून
मसूड़ों से खून पायरिया क्या आपकी टूथपेस्ट में नमक और नीम है?
नमक और नीम?
हाँ, नए नीम युक्त कोलगेट एक्टिव सॉल्ट में है नमक और नीम की शक्ति। ये मसूड़ों को मजबूत बनाए और पायरिया को दूर रखने में मदद करे। याद रखना, स्वस्थ कसे मसूड़ों के लिए कोलगेट एक्टिव सॉल्ट नीम। कोलगेट एक्टिव सॉल्ट नीम।
कोलगेट डेंटिस्ट का सुझाव नंबर 1 ब्रांड।
की माला तेरी
for the next race. Save the environment. Well done. Pick it up, pick it up. They are picking the litter. They are saving our environment, keeping our environment clean. Keeping this thought in mind, they are running. Very good. Well done, kids. Pick it up, pick it up. Keep on going. Go, 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 go. Very good. Well done. Keep on running. Well done. Everyone clap for our little champions. Keep on clapping. Don't stop. Well done, kids. Now our योग तनाव से राहत देता है, दिमाग को शांत रखता है। योग का नियमित अभ्यास करें, जीवन को खुशहाल और स्वस्थ बनाएं। Yoga is the artwork of awareness on the canvas of body, mind and soul. Yoga helps to de-stress and find inner peace, increases blood flow, makes you more focused, keep diseases at bay, improves strength, balance and flexibility, better breathing, increases energy, kickstarts the metabolism. सुबह हो या शाम, रोज कीजिए योग, निकट ना आएगा आपके कोई रोग। Yoga does not. Well done, run, run. Keep on going, burst the balloon and go. Keep on running, keep on running. Well done, burst the balloon and go ahead. Well done, you are doing very well. Well done, students, you have performed very well. Very good. Run, run, run. Well done. Well done, little champs. Very good, very good. Do it fast. Oh, well done.
इस प्रोडक्ट के लाभ का एक अंश अन्य विद्यालय में जाता है, डिसेबल को जाता है, विडोज को जाता है और सीनियर सिटीजन को जाता है।